Here's Guggenheim and Hitchcock sleeping on the little bed together. Oh, I shouldn't have talked. Now they moved. Well, there's Guggenheim still sitting on the bed. There's Max claiming his tennis ball. There's Diana Guggenheim. Oh, Hitchcock's getting up on the bed, on the couch. Guggen! Guggen! Hey! Hey! How are ya? Oh, you're so sweet. Oh my goodness. Max chewing on his tennis ball over in the corner because he's so normal. On film grabbing his butt. Diane's manhandling her dog.
White in the trunk. White in the trunk.
This picks up voice.
Oh, great.
All right. Okay, say goodbye.